Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use timer and grid on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Snapchat application. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the plus icon and here you can find the option of timer. Click on that option and once you can see that timer is on and it will count, you can select timing. So I'm going to select 3 seconds and then you need to click on timer and then you need to click on the photo icon and after 3 seconds a photo will be taken. So let me try. So you can see that how this option is working, and now I'm going to show you how you can use grid. You simply need to click on grid and it will help you to take a photo in the right proportion. So this is a process by which you can use timer and grid on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.